Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company, and here we have the Mazda CX-3. It's on a 68 plate, as you can see. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it from there. From the outside, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. We're going to start off inside the boot space first. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60-40 split folding rear seat, should you wish to increase this space even further again. And then this tray section can lift and remove to increase that space even further. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then, as I mentioned, we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it from there. Now that we've done a full circle, though, you can see firstly the alloy wheels are in pristine condition, as is the bodywork the entire way around the car. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials first of all. On that far left-hand side, you can see the mileage of the vehicle, which is 28,112. In the centre, we have the rev counter and digital readout for the speedometer. And on the right-hand side, the trip computer, which includes the fuel gauge as well. This car also has a heads-up display, which you can see just there for additional speedometer information. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have our stereo controls, we have our phone controls. On the right-hand side, we have our cruise control. And then into the center, the main screen for the car. So firstly, the movement I'm making on the screen is being done using this dial just here. You can access certain things from these buttons, for example, of course, your main menu. Once on the menu, you can rotate the dial and enter any of these menus that you wish to. The main ones, I would guess, being your entertainment menu, where you can see we have AM, FM and DAB radio, a couple of Mazda-friendly apps, we have Bluetooth audio and USB input as well. That can be accessed with the music button just here, if you would rather, and then you can come back to the home screen at any point in time. As I mentioned, you can pair up your phone. Once you've done so, you'll be able to stream your music wirelessly and make and receive phone calls, of course. And we have satellite navigation also. Really nice display. It's a very, very easy system to use, and we have a settings menu at the far end there. On top of all of that, this car has got a full color reversing camera. Working our way down, we've got a heated steering wheel, heated passenger seat with 3 different heat settings, heated driver seat with 3 different heat settings, and below that, our climate control. So you can adjust the fan speed and temperature, the direction you would like the air distributed in. Air conditioning is off, back on again, or hit auto, or the button in the middle, I should say. The car will then recirculate the air that's in the vehicle to essentially help it heat up or cool down quickly, depending on the temperature you set just there. I mentioned also a moment ago, you can turn the fan to auto. What will happen now is that the car will take full control of the fan speed to maintain the temperature that I've asked for, and you can do exactly the same for the direction of the air as well, and you can override either or both of those whenever you wish to. We have our CD player, 2 USB inputs, auxiliary input, and a 12-volt charging socket, and then the gear lever for the 6-speed manual gearbox. The very last thing I wanted to talk about is the paperwork we have for the car. So service invoicing just there, done very recently, as you can see from the mileage record just here. The V5 registration document showing it's a 2-owner car from new. And then in the envelope here, we have the spare keys, so 2 keys in total. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you soon.